Okay, so I've built this video on how to install OPAM, the Oracle Privileged Account Management. So it's a fairly new product, and I just wanted to go through the steps on basically how to install it from scratch. Thing is that I have here a Linux environment that has some of the middleware products already installed. So it makes, if you have that installed, it makes things a lot easier. So the first thing you need to do is open up a terminal window, go to your RCU, which mine is there, go to bin, and then RCU. So I have my database already up and running. All I need to do here is just put in the credentials, the settings, my local environment. So far so good. I want to add to the actual prefix that I already have installed. So I want to pick the Oracle Privileged Account Manager. Everything else should be all set. That's all good. I'm going to change it to password that I use for the other ones, and then create. There we go. Success. So I've created, what I've done there is that I've created the schema for the actual database itself, for the OPAM. Secondly, what I need to do is go into WebLogic. WebLogic, common, cd bin, and run the config again. Extend on the existing domain that I have currently. I'll place it onto my base domain that I have. And then I will pick the Oracle Privilege Manager. Pick the one that hasn't got the existing information. Password should match the one that you've just placed in. Okay, test successful. Fantastic. Now we'll go to next, extend. Okay, so that's done for that side. Third thing that you need to do is now go into, I'm in my middleware home at the moment, so if I go into Oracle IDM, and then go to OPAM, bin, you'll find here that there's a few things that need to be set. If I just grab my, so I want to set my ant home because I don't have it set already, I don't believe, and I want to set it into my bash profile. So vi home Oracle bash profile. Shove it there. Good to me. Well, let's just add home, and then we'll just execute it. So hopefully, echo and very good. The next thing to do, it does say that you need to set the Oracle home for it to work. The thing is, on my environment, that I have the Oracle domain on one side and my database in another directory, completely segregated. So here I have Oracle. I have my Oracle DB installed here, which is actually my Oracle home, I believe. This isn't what I want because OPAM as a configuration is expecting this variable, this Oracle home, to be put in. So to get around this, you'll need to manually configure the home itself. So if I just grab that, copy, go into the shell script, let's do a couple of changes here, paste that. Should be a couple more. There we go. And we'll do that one as well. And there's one more just above that. I'm not bothered about this echo one. It's just a response back to the user, so I'm not bothered about that. I should change it, but cannot be bothered. If I go into the config and then VI into the build, I'm not sure if it's not this one. It's the VI into the OPAM config XML. There it is. Get rid of this variable as well. Just hard code it in. There's one here on line 86. Oh, don't want to do that. And there's another one here as well. I think that's it for that. So I'll save that one. One thing to note is that you might have not used the ANT before. I noticed I didn't on this local environment. What you'll need to do is go into the where are they? Let's go up one more level. Go into the WebLogic. No. Sorry, go back into modules. Here you'll see your ANT path here. So if I go CD ANT, I can see my ANT program right there. If I did an echo, that should match my command. The version might change for you, so just be something to be aware of. If I go back, IDM, OPAM, bin, and then let's give that a whiz and see what happens. Okay, good start so far. WebLogic. At this point, you have to make sure your domain is up and running. I don't think mine is, so I'll just have a shell script here. It's just running my base domain. Let's quickly show you while it's loading up. Just running the start logic. So I'll wait for that to finish up before I start clicking away. Didn't take too much time. All right. Password into there, and then if you put in your path for the WebLogic, so mine is localhost.local domain 7001, and then enter base and main. Let me just quickly find that. Open a new tab. Just base domain. And then my middleware home. Let's go back there. I've already set it. Copy that. Shove it into there. And then it starts configuring. Obviously this will show up as success. It won't show up as a failure because I've recorded this. I'd hate for it to mess up. Still thinking about it. There's a little bit of movement on this side. Nothing really to worry about. Alright, so build successful. I like that. If I then go to just grab this URL. Paste and go, why not? It's good signs. And there it is, Oracle Privileged Account Manager. So if I log into WebLogic using the WebLogic credentials, that's the straight into the account. So simple steps. I hope this this helps anyone watching this. Thank you very much.